Hi, good morning, students. I am Bhaskaran for your games teacher. Now I am teaching history of football. History of football. The game of football take its form. The most admitted story tells that the game was developed in England in the 12th century. In this century, games that resemble football were played on meadows and roads in England. Besides from kicks, the game involved also punches of the ball with the fist. An attempt to create proper rules for the game was done at a meeting in Cambridge in 1848. The history of football came about in 1863 in London when the first football association was formed in England. In 900 and 904, football was introduced in Olympics, but it not recognized. In 1908, first football was recognized in Olympics. FIFA. FIFA was introduced in May 21st, 1904 at Switzerland. First FIFA World Cup in 1930 at Uruguay. First place Uruguay, second place Argentina. All India Football Federation was introduced in June 23rd, 1937. Indian football team played the Olympics 1948 without wearing boots. A British journalist asked the Indian captain why your team didn't wear boots. Indian captain replied, "It is football, not boot ball." In the 1948 Summer Olympics held in London, India faced France in what was its first international football match. Different forms of football. Early footballs, big bladder to inner tubes. First official rules on football, shape and size. The design, leather and stitches. The modern football. Size of a football. Be spherical. Have a circumference of between 27 and 28 inches. Be made of leather or other suitable material. Weight no less than 410 grams and no more than 450 grams at the start of the match. Have a pressure equal to 0.6 to 1.1 atmosphere. At sea level, age and ball size. All ages 1 mini ball. 3 to 6 years ball size 2 midi ball. 6 to 9 years ball size 3. 19 to 14 years ball size 4. 14 and above ball size 5. Legends of football. He is and always will be the greatest footballer ever. It is a role he wears very comfortably. His play, full of joy and experience, seems to sum up everything that the world loves about the game, and as he travels the globe acting as its greatest ambassador, his own legend is reinforced. He is fully deserving of this title though. He remains the only player ever to inspire his country to win the World Cup twice, in 1958 and 1970. His teammate Green Cha runs in close, but Pele was the clear star of two teams, just eclipsing Green Cha in 1958. He was only 17 when he was introduced in 1958 tournament in Sweden. He then scored a hat-trick to help his team reach the final and scored twice in the final itself. His tears at the final whistle showed a humanity that endeared the watching world to him from then on. The following year, he was named best player in the 1959 South American Championship, scoring 8 goals. His participation was limited by injury in the 1962 World Cup, and Brazil were beaten by heavy tracking in 1966. By 1970, he was coaxed out of his intended retirement of lead another wholly different all-star team to glory. He played as a classic number 10, dropping back and engaging in some impeccable link-up play and demonstrating great vision. His pass to seemingly unseen Carlos Alberto for the fourth goal in the 1970 final remains the best layoff in history. He could also beat players and score goals in great variety of ways, showing that he really was the complete forward. He remains Brazil record goal scorer. He is also separated from other legends by the fact that he was proved himself equally through his club career. He remained in Brazil at Santos throughout his prime years and was the star attraction in a learn that swept all before them. It is true that they played a lot of important friendly matches, but they also played some very important games after winning the cup. Libertadores in both 1962 and 1963. Each time they unequivocally answered any questions of relative worth of comparison with European football by comprehensively beating that year's European Cup winners, beating Benfica 5-2 away in 1962 and seeing off AC Milan in 1963. Both opponents among the greatest club sides of all time. 650 goals in 694 competitive club game tells its own story. Pele is now a true globe icon, one of very few in sport, and invisibly linked to the game of public imagination. When the world thinks of football, it thinks of Pele, and not just football, but El Joga Bonito, as Pele named it. It is an association that football benefits from, and that is the best summary of why Pele is number one. Famous football clubs in Arsenal, Barcelona, Real Madrid, Chelsea, Manchester City. The FIFA World Cup, often simplify the World Cup, is an international association football competition contested by the senior men's national team of the members of Federation International de Football Association, the sport's global governing body. Football, the brief information. Football refers to a number of sports that involve, to varying degrees, kicking a ball with a foot to score a goal. The most popular of these sports worldwide is association football, more commonly known as just football or soccer. Unqualified, the word football applies to whichever form of football is the most popular in the regional context. in which the word appears, including association football. Today, today football is played at the professional level all over the world. Millions of people regularly go to football stadiums to follow their favorite teams, while billions more watch the game and television or on the internet. A very large number of people also play football at an amateur level. According to a survey conducted by FIFA published in 2001, over 240 million people from more than 200 countries regularly play football. Football has the highest global television audience in sport. Indian football. Indian football history. Indian teams started during Australia, Japan, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand in late 1930s. Soon after the success of several Indian football clubs, the All India Football Federation was formed in 1937. The London Olympics was India's first major international tournament where a predominantly barefooted Indian team lost 2-1 to France. Failing to cover two penalties, the Indian team was greeted to appreciated by the crowd for their sporting manner.